A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, when we look at how things are going in a Jamaica and around the world too, we have to say are some demon around wild. But oh, we are gonna get rid of them the demon they. We are run wild in a Jamaica and around the world. I want you to think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, just go on, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, yes. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 9 from verse 14 to verse 29. When Jesus and his 3 followers them reach on the flat, they see one big crowd of people gather up around the other follower them. And the law teacher them did argue with them. When the people see Jesus, them did shock. So them run go meet him same time. So him ask them say, how uno and them argue about? One man in the crowd answer say, teacher, me bring me boy picnic to you. We have one demon in him. We make him dumb. Anytime the demon take control of him, it make him fling down himself a ground. Him mouth frat up. Him grind him teeth and tiffin out himself. Me beg your follower them to run out the spirit. But they couldn't do it. Jesus said to them, say, uno people in at that time, yeah. Uno no believe. How much longer me have to turn ya with uno? How much longer me have to put up with uno? Carry boy come to me. So, them carry the boy to him. When the demon see Jesus, he make the boy start shake hard, same time. Him drop a ground, start roll about, and him mouth start frat up. So Jesus asked the boy father, how long since him a suffer so? Him say, from him a little picnic, sir. Whole heap of time, the demon fling him in a fire and in a water to kill him. But if you can't do nothing for him, take pity upon we and help him. Do. Jesus answer him say, if you can't do nothing for him, if you believe, anything can happen. Same time, the boy father bawl out, me believe, help me to believe more. When Jesus sees one crowd of people start gather up fast, him chat to the demon trang, and tell him say, you spirit will make the boy can't talk or hear. Me I tell you, come out of him and never go in him again. The spirit bawl out and shake the boy hard and come out of him. After him come out, the boy look like one dead man. And enough of the people them say, him dead. But Jesus take time, hold him on and help him up. And him turn up. After Jesus go in at the house, him follower them ask him say, what make We couldn't run out the demon. Jesus answered them, say, if uno no pray, uno can't run out them the kind of demon there. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.